Hello friends. Hope you all are doing well. Our Sales Master Training section will help you to achieve greater result in your career. Let us learn some important sales tips. Want to be a better salesperson? Cool. Me too. But what do you mean by better? How can you measure it? How can you get there? And how fast do you want to get there? These are important questions. Goals can help you come up with the answers. Setting goals for yourself does several things simultaneously. It concretely defines your vision. It gives you a metric to measure with data to see if you're progressing. And it serves as a powerful motivator. Hope you understand the power of goal setting. Let us talk about new sales tips in next video. Kindly like and subscribe our channel.